Travel companies determine the best travel experience by examining KPIs such as customer service, on-time performance, and airport locations. Gathering this data requires teams to spend hours manually checking flight reports and highlighting data on maps. To avoid this, we created a custom Power BI visual that efficiently tracks flight route performance and displays critical KPIs. KPI Route Map by MAQ Software interprets KPI values and color codes routes according to performance. Let's look at the key features of this visual. When the visual is opened, a prompt will ask for an API key. The map won't display until the API key is entered. You can enter the API key by using the API key setting in the formatting pane. The visual takes the following set of data: origin latitude, origin longitude, destination latitude, destination longitude, transportation detail, transport type, tooltips, and KPI. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Here, we have selected visitors as our KPI value. Now, the visual will adjust the route color according to the number of visitors. You can compare performance between routes based on a color gradient, which by default ranges from red to green. However, users can select the colors of their choice to distinguish between different KPI value ranges. At any given time, a minimum of 2 or a maximum of 7 colors can be allocated to routes. Colors are allocated based on the number of values provided for the KPI data. The same number of colors will be displayed in the legend as well. In this example, 7 ranges have been entered for the visitor KPI, and, as a result, 7 colors are displayed in the legend. To focus on low, medium, or high-performing routes, simply select the threshold setting in the legend. For instance, here we have selected orange from the legend to highlight flights with a visitor count between 5,000 to 10,000 people. To see the actual values used to gauge the route performance, we can use tooltip values in the data pane. Hover over a route to view detailed information about that route. The map can also distinguish between domestic, international, and other routes by representing them as either solid, dotted, or dashed lines. The path setting in the formatting pane enables this option. To highlight location-specific data, click on the location icon. This will show all flights moving to or from that location. Users can then focus on data related to the location they are interested in. Users can also zoom in, zoom out, or pan across the map. You can select from 5 different views for the map by using the Map setting. The map also includes an animated view of flight information from the origin to the destination. Animation can be toggled on or off using the animation option in the formatting pane. Finally, the Central Coordinates option changes the view of the map by providing latitude and longitude coordinates that define the center of the map. There are a few limitations with this visual to keep in mind. Like all Power BI custom visuals, it can only support 30,000 rows. By design, the free Google Map Key will support 25,000 hits or refreshes without a license. For a higher refresh rate, you must purchase a license. With KPI Route Map, airlines can reduce operations costs and simplify tracking flight performance data. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about this visual or need a similar business solution, please contact us at sales@maqsoftware.com.